warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Project 2 syntax. And the next slide, syntax 2 of part, deep structure and relative clause, and to solve all problems and explain this case using the 3 diagram below. And subject, auxiliary, inversion, and relative clause. 1. Subject, auxiliary, inversion in the definition, purpose, component, Chomsky transformational grammar, and relative clause is definition, relative pronoun, types of relative clause, example, rules to remember. Definition. Deep structure in the underlying abstract reception of a sentence that shows its basic meaning and the grammatical relationship between the elements like subject, verb, and object. It is part of a theory in linguistics called transformational generative grammar developed by Noam Chomsky. Deep structure is what the sentence means at a fundamental level before any change or regressions are made to create the actual spoken or written sentence, which is called the surface structures. Importance of deep structure in syntax help linguists understand how different sentences from relate in meaning, explain why very different sentences can express the same idea, provide a way to study how language user mentality organize sentence before speaking or writing, essential for computational linguistics and natural language processing to parse meaning. Deep structure. 1. When we want to express an idea brain, first, create a deep structure and abstract underlying reception of the sentence. The deep structure then goes through transformational rules. 2. This deep structure captures the essential meaning and grammatical rules. Who is doing what to whom? The next slide is purpose. Step 1. Capture the core meaning. Deep structure represents the basic meaning of a sentence. It shows the fundamental relationship between the parts of a sentence, like a subject, verb, and object. This helps you understanding what a sentence really means, regardless of how it's presented on the surface. Purpose. Explain sentence variation. Different sentences can have different surface structure, word order, voice question versus statement, but share the same deep structure. This explains how different forms can explain the same idea. For example, the dog cast the cat. The cat was cast by the dog would have the same deep structure. The next slide is 3. Basic verb transformation. Deep structure acts as the starting point for applying transformational rules. This transformation changes the sentence survive from but prefers its core meaning. It's so how complex sentence can be generated from simple underlying structure. And the next slide is help in language acquisition and processing. The concept of deep structure suggests that humans have an innate ability to understand underlying sentence patterns that help explain how children learn language and how adults process complex sentences. The next slide is purpose 5. Support linguistic theories and application. Is in linguistic theory like informational generative grammar to analyze syntax, important from computational linguistics and natural language processing or in NLP and programming machine to understand human language. The component is subject. What is this? The subject is the noun, process, or NP that perform the action or is the topic of the sentence. Rule. It usually appears at the beginning of the deep structure and is the door or main focus. An example is the cat. In the cat chest the mouse. She is reading a book. Verb 2. What is this? The verb express the action. Even state, rule, central to the predicate. It connects the subject with other components like object or complements. Example is Cass in the cat, Cass the mouse is reading and she is reading a book. And the next slide is component 2, object. What is this? The object is the noun process that describes the action of the verb, typically transitive verb, to show who or what is affected by the action. An example is the mouse in the cat chased the mouse. A book in she is reading a book. Complement. What is a complement? Completes the meaning of the verb or subject. It can be adjective, noun, process, or clauses. The rule is provide necessary information to complete the idea. An example is happy in. She is happy. Adjective complement. A doctor in. He became a doctor. Noun complement. 5. Modifier. What is this? Word or phrases that describe or add information to other parts of the sentence. Adjective, adverb, prepositional process. Rule adds detail but is not essential for the core meaning. An example is quickly, she quickly runs. Adverb modifying verb. Red in, the red apple is sweet. Adjective modifying nouns. And this the component destructor. And example 2, destructor and surface vector. Yeah. Theorist Noam Chomsky. Noam Chomsky is a renowned linguistic philosopher and cognitive science. He revolutionized the study language with several foundational ideas. 1. Transformational generative grammar or TGG. Proposed in the 1950s, every sentence has two levels of structure. Deep structure, the core meaning. Surface structure, the actual spoken or written form. Transformational rules convert deep structure into surface structure. An example is structure, John loved Mary. Surface structure, Mary is loved by John. Or does John love Mary? 2. Universal grammar or UG. Chomsky believes humans are born with a built-in system for learning language. A language shares a set of universal principles, and this explains how children can learn complex grammar quickly and naturally through language acquisition device or LED, a hypothetical mental system that allows children to acquire language with limited input. Emphasize that language learning is innate, not just learned behavior. And the next slide is Noam Chomsky is a renowned linguist philosopher. Oh, and the definition is relative clause. A relative clause is a part of a sentence that describes or gives more information about a noun. It starts with a relative pronoun such as who, whom, whose, which, or that. And these relative pronouns 2. Okay. Two type or relative clause. Defining relative clause or restrictive clause give essential information about the noun. No commas are used. Example, the woman who called you is my teacher. We need this information to know which woman, relative pronouns, who, that, which, whose, where, when. And non-defining relative clause, non-restrictive clause adds extra non-essential information. Commas are used. An example is, my brother who lives in Canada is visiting next week. We already know who my brother is. The clause just adds more detail. Relative pronouns, who, which, whom, not that. Then in this future defining clause, non-defining clause. Rules to remember. Use a relative pronoun to connect the clause to noun who, whom, whose, which, and that. Use commas only in non-defining clause. Extra information. And use my dad, who is a doctor, who works late. And as no, the man who is tall is my teacher. No comments needed here. 3. Don't use that in not defining clause. The book which is on the table is mine. And is no, the book that is on the table is mine. And the next slide is whose. So procession the girl whose phone rang is my friend. You can omit the relative pronoun when it's the subject. The movie that I watched was amazing. And the next slide, part 2. Solve all problems and explain this case using the tree diagram below. Part 2. 1. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And 2. The girl who is wearing a red dress is dancing. And this example, part 1, part 2, number 1 and number 2. And the number 3, Giovanus saw the Hezekiah with the telescope. And 4, she believed that the earth is round. And 5, the house where I grew up has been demolished. And this slide example is number 2. And this slide example is on number 4. And this slide example number 5. The house where I grew up has been demolished. And the distractor. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.